Everyone talks about goals, but very few ever reach them. Not because they're lazy, not because they don't care, but because they never had a real plan. This is your moment to stop drifting and start designing. This is the ultimate blueprint to achieve any goal. Not just theory, not hype, a real repeatable system that actually works. Let me tell you a quick story about someone we'll call Daniel. At 21, Daniel had big dreams. He wanted to start his own business, get in shape, travel the world, and write a book. By 33, none of that had happened. Sure, he had a job, a routine, a life that looked fine on paper, but inside, he was stuck, disappointed, tired, uninspired. One night, while cleaning out a drawer, he found a notebook from college. Inside, a list of goals he had written more than a decade ago. Almost all of them, untouched. That hit him. Hard. He didn't need more motivation. He needed a system. So he built one. Small habits, identity shifts, structure, discipline. And over the next 3 years, everything changed. No magic, just mastery. That's the blueprint I'm going to give you today. Ruthless clarity. Most people fail before they even begin, because they don't know what they truly want. Vague goals create vague results. Don't say, I want to be rich. Say, I will earn $100,000 a year by this date. Don't say, I want to lose weight. Say, I will drop 25 pounds by summer. Your goal must be clear, measurable, time-bound. Write it down. Say it out loud. Make it real. Build the identity first. Here's the truth no one tells you. You don't get what you want. You get what you believe you are. You want to change your results? Change how you see yourself. If your goal is to run a marathon, don't just train. Tell yourself, I am a runner. If your goal is to build a business, adopt the mindset. I am a builder, a creator, a leader. Your identity shapes your actions, and actions shape results. Create a simple daily process. Big dreams overwhelm people. So here's the trick. Shrink the dream into a daily action. Want to write a book? Write 500 words every day. Want to get fit? Train for 30 minutes every morning. Want to build a brand? Post content every single day. Success isn't about doing everything. It's about doing one right thing consistently. Remember, systems beat motivation every time. Master your mindset. There will be days you feel like giving up. You'll question everything. You'll doubt yourself. That's normal. Here's what to do. Start your day with gratitude. Visualize success. See yourself already there. Track small wins to build momentum. Surround yourself with people who believe in growth. And most of all, talk to yourself with belief. Self-doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will. Reflect and adjust weekly. This is the secret sauce. Every week, take 15 minutes to ask yourself, what worked? What didn't? What can I do better? You're not just chasing goals, you're evolving. That means testing, learning, and adapting constantly. Success is not a straight line, it's a spiral. You rise by circling back with more wisdom each time. The hard truth and the beautiful one. Here's what most won't admit. Achieving your goals will be hard. You'll lose motivation. You'll fail. You'll feel alone at times. But you'll also grow. You'll become someone you're proud of. You'll build self-respect, discipline, power. And one day, you'll look back and realize the goal wasn't the prize. Who you became chasing it. That's the real reward. So don't just dream. Don't just hope. Use this blueprint. Print it. Live it. Breathe it. Because your goals are possible. Your future is waiting. And no one is coming to save you. You have everything you need, right now, to start. The blueprint is yours. Now go build the life you were meant to live. The Master's Way.